This is our first question. Negative 5 by 7 plus 3 by 7. See here, both the given numbers have the same denominator. So we can add or subtract. Here addition is given, right? Addition of that numbers is our topic. So we can add the numerators as such. So it is negative 5 plus 3 by 7. See, in the numerator part, we have negative 5 plus 3. When we add a negative and a positive number, what we have to do? We have to check which among these two is bigger in magnitude. 5 or 3, which is bigger? 5. And 5 is negative. So our answer is negative. And next what we have to do is we have to subtract 5 minus 3. That is 2. So it is negative 2. This negative 2 is here the numerator part. So the answer is minus 2 by 7. Okay. Then the next question is add 6 by 13 and minus 9 by 13. Here also we have the same denominators. So we can add directly the numerators. So it is 6 plus minus 9 all divided by 13. Okay. See next 6 plus negative 9. 6 plus negative 9. See here also we are adding a positive and a negative number, and in magnitude negative 9. Negative is always negative than positive numbers, but the magnitude only we are checking 6 or 9, which is greater 9, and 9 is here it is negative, so our answer is also negative, and we have to subtract smaller from bigger, so it is negative 3. So here the answer is negative 3 by 30. This is our next question. See here, we have to add 3 by 4 and negative 5 by 8. See here, the denominators are not same. But we know it is really easy to convert 4 into 8. Right? We can make 4 into 8 by multiplying with 2. So 3 by 4, we can convert it with denominator 8. See, 4 is multiplied by 2 to become 8. Then the same operation we have to do in the numerator part as well. So we have to do 3 into 2. Okay, just like we are taking equivalent fractions. So 3 into 2, 6. So we can write in place of 3 by 4, we can write it as 6 by 8. So here we will write it as 6 by 8 plus negative 5 by 8. Now see, the denominators are same. So we can just add the numerators together. So it is 6 plus minus 5 all divided by 8. See here in the numerator part, 6 plus negative 5. We are adding a positive number with a negative number. Okay, and here the bigger one is positive. So the answer is positive, and then we have to subtract 6 minus 5, that is 1. So the answer is 1 by 8. This is our next question. 5 by 36 plus negative 7 by 12. See here also the denominators are not same. So we have to make them same if we can do it easily. See here 36 and 12. Okay, we know 12 into 3 is 36. So we can easily change or convert this 12 into 36. So let us take that fraction minus 7 by 12. We need 36 as the denominator. That is how multiply by 3. So the same operation we have to do in the numerator part as well. Negative 3 into negative 7 into 3. That is negative 21. So in place of this negative 7 by 12, we can write negative 21 by 36. Okay. So it will become 5 by 36 plus negative 21 by 36. See, now the denominators are same. We can add the numerators directly. So it is 5 plus negative 21 all divided by 36. Now the numerators 5 plus minus 21. See here, again we are adding a positive with a negative. Here the bigger one is negative. So the answer is negative. Then we have to subtract 21 minus 5. That is 16. Okay, so it is negative 16 here as the numerator, negative 16 by 36. Now, listen, we can divide this, right? In the previous questions, the final answer was the least form itself. Okay, there was no common term. So here, but they have common factor. We can divide by 4, right? 16 is divisible by 4 and 36 also divisible by 4. If it is difficult for you, we can divide by 2 each. Okay, so first let us divide by 2. 16 divided by 2, it will become minus 8, and 36 divided by 2, it is 18. So in the next step, again we can divide by 2, right? So it is minus 4 by 9. This is the final answer. This is our next question. 8 by 9 plus negative 9 by 6. See here the denominators are different. But we know it is not easy to convert 6 into 9, right? We cannot easily convert it. So what we have to do is we have to take the LCM. LCM of 6 and 9. So we will write it like this. Then we will search what is the common factor among 6 and 9. 3, right? So 3, and then we will do division. 6 divided by 3, it is 2. Then 9 divided by 3, it is 3. Okay. Again, we don't have any common factors here, no? So we can stop by this. So the LCM of 6 and 9 is 3 into 2 into 3. See, we have taken the numbers from here. 3 into 2 into 3. Okay. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 2, 18. So 18 is the LCM. So next we have to convert the denominators as this. Okay, as 18. So the first number given is 8 by 9 in the question. So we need 18 as the denominator. How we can convert 9 into 18? We have to multiply by 2, right? So we have to do the same operation in the numerator part. 8 into 2, 16 will be the numerator. Okay, so in place of 8 by 9, we can write it as 16 by 18. Okay, here it is 16 by 18 plus. Next, we have minus 11 by 6. Minus 11 by 6. Again, we need 18 LCM as the denominator here. So we will write it as like this. 6. How the 6 will become 18? We have to multiply by 3, right? So in the numerator part as well, we have to do the same operation. Minus 11 into 3, that is minus 33. So in place of negatives 11 by 6, we can write it as negative 33 by 18. Okay, so here we can write it as negative 33 by 18. Now see, the denominators became same. So we can add the numerators directly. So it will become 16 plus negative 33 all divided by 18. See, now we have to add 16 and negative 33, right? 16 plus negative 33. Here also we are adding a positive with a negative number, and the bigger one is negative, so the answer is negative. Then we have to subtract 33 minus 16. So it is 70. So it is negative 17 over here. So here the numerator is what we have got here, negative 17. So the final answer is negative 17 by 18. This is our next question. 0 plus negative 3 by 5. We know 0 plus. When we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number. So here the answer will be minus 3 by 5. Next we have 1 plus negative 4 by 5. See here, 1 is a whole number, right? It don't have any denominator part here. But here we have a fraction. So it is difficult, no? Adding a whole number with a fraction. So what we have to do is we have to cross multiply. That is, we have to multiply this 1 by the denominator part over here. 1 into 5, that is 5. So 1 into 5 plus negative 4. See, we are moving like this. 5 into 1. 5 we got. Then what is the operation over here? Plus minus 4. So same we have to write over here, plus minus 4. All divided by, say, what is left as the denominator part? 5. So 5 will come here. We won't change this denominator part. We are just multiplying, cross multiplying. 5 into 1, 5 plus minus 4 all divided by 5. Okay. Next, we have to add the numerator part, right? Here we have 5 and minus 4 to add. See, a positive and a negative number are getting added. The bigger one is positive, so the answer is also positive. Next, we have to subtract 5 minus 4, that is 1. 1 by 5 is the answer. Now, this is our last question. 24 by 7 plus negative 11 by 4. Okay, here the denominators are not same, so we cannot add the numerators directly. Next, we have to take the LCM here. Here, the LCM will be 4 into 7. Okay, 28. Like that, we can do, or we can do cross multiplication as well. I think cross multiplication will be easy here. See, 24 into 4 plus 7 into negative 11. Like that, if we do know, it will be some more easy. So 4 into 24. See, it is done here. It is 96. So 4 into 24, 96 plus 7 into negative 11. That is negative 77. All divided by. Next, we have to multiply the denominator parts. The denominators are 7 and 4. When we multiply, we will get 28. So it is easy, you know, taking the LCM and changing everything will take some more time. So just do cross multiplication. So 96 plus negative 77. So we have to add a positive with a negative and the bigger one is positive. So the answer is also positive. Next, we have to do the subtraction. 96 minus 77. That is 19. So it is positive 19 by 28. See, here also we can apply the same logic. This is question number 5, which we have done some time back. See, 8 by 9 plus negative 11 by 6. Here the denominators are different. In previous method, what we have done is like this. See, we have taken the LCM and converted each and everything denominator part as this LCM and all. But it was time taking. No, we can do the same question with cross multiplication method. So then 6 into 8, like that we have to do. 6 into 8, 48. Then plus 9 into negative 11, that is negative 99, all divided by 9 into 6, 54. Okay, like this also we can do. Now, here as the numerator, we have a positive and a negative number to add. The bigger one is negative, so the answer is also negative. Now we have to subtract 99 minus 48. That is, here we have 1 and here it is 5. So minus 51 by 54. Now see, 51 and 54 both are multiples of 3 because 5 plus 1, when we add the digits of 51, we get 5 plus 1 as 6. This is a multiple of 3. So 6 is a multiple of 3 means 51 is also a multiple of 3. Next 54. 5 plus 4 we get 9. Again 9 is a multiple of 3 means 54 is also a multiple of 3. That means we can divide these two numbers by 3. Common factor is there. So we have to write the answer in the simplest form. So negative 51 divided by 3 is 17. So negative 17 and 54 divided by 3 we get 18. So it is negative 17 by 18. In the other method also we got the same answer. See here negative 17 by 18 and here also it is negative 17 by 18. But when we do the cross multiplication method, no, it is less time taken, right? It is easy, I think. Okay, hope all of you understood. Thank you.